will be explaining a sample code using Python.
So here is an example of a while loop. Let's write a simple program that counts from 1 to 5. We'll use a while loop to do this. First, we need to set up a starting point. We'll create a variable called count and give it a starting value of 1. This is our starting line. The loop will use this variable to keep track over it is. Then next, we'll write our while loop. The loop needs a condition to check. We want it to keep running as long as our count is 5 or less. The colon at the end is crucial. It tells Python that the code is about to begin. Now, let's put the code we want to repeat inside the loop. The first thing we want to do is print the current number. In here, in printing, notice how this line is indented. Indentation is how Python knows that this line belongs to the while loop. After we print the number, we need to update our count so the loop can move on. If we don't, the count will stay at 1 and the loop will run forever. This is called an infinite loop and it's a common error. We'll add 1 to count in each run. In this line, count equals count plus 1. This line changes the value of count from 1 to 2, then to 3, and so on until it's 6. Finally, once the count becomes 6, the condition count less than or equal to 5 is no longer true. The loop stops, and the program moves to the next line of code, which is outside the loop. And then, when we run the program, it will print number 1 through number 5 and then counting complete at the end.